Daily markup for EURUSD for the 12th of September 2023. This is the daily chart. The swing structure is bullish. We are in the pullback. We have pulled back really deep. This is probably the last stand as far as the demand is concerned, and price has pulled into this with a lot of momentum. Whether this holds or not remains to be seen, but currently we are in this demand, and price has had a bit of a reaction from here, and that's what we are observing. So this is as far as the daily is concerned. So my outlook is, because the swing is bullish, so I am still favoring, I would look for the trend to continue, and this is currently my weak daily high, and this is my strong weekly low. However, like I said, because of the momentum with which we've kind of come here, I'm not very sure whether this is going to hold or not. Or if you watched the weekly breakdown yesterday, we also know that we are probably coming towards the end of this pullback of this leg, and because the weekly is bearish, this is the weekly. If I just draw it like this, so this is weekly. And then we had a pullback, and now probably the pullback is over and we are ready to go down. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the H4, this is how I marked my swing structure. For me, the H4 is bearish. Why? Because the H4 is facilitating the daily pullback. And we've had a break of structure here. After the break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. Where will this pullback go to? We don't know, but these are the strong supply zones that I see here. I definitely look at this being this being the stronger supply zone over here. Why? Because it's had a sweep of liquidity. It has led to a break of structure. However, there is no inducement in this. So once price pulls up here, I'd like to see a strong liquidation, and then probably look at the price going further, continuing with the H4 trend, which is bearish. However, if price continues to go up and takes this out, then we can say that okay, the H4 has now turned bullish, which is in line with the daily swing structure, and then probably we can look at targeting this week daily high. So that's as far as the H4 is concerned. So nothing very significant here. I'm expecting this pullback to play, so probably on the M15 we can still continue to look for longs, depending upon how it looks like. On the H1 we have a very nice zone over here. In fact, if I look at the M15, so obviously the M15 has turned bullish. Why? Because we are now on the pullback of the H4, and this is how we had mapped yesterday. We said that probably from here we'll pull up, and we did, and we caused this is the zone that caused a break of structure. So therefore I'm very keen to look at continuation of the M15 bullish swing. We've had a break of structure, after which we can expect a pullback. Price could pull back into this zone or the H1 over here. Now if you look at the M15, if I just turn off the H1, so probably this was a zone that you could have looked at, a demand zone. However, this candle came and liquidated all of this. So therefore now this is my rather largish M15 demand. I would expect price to kind of come down into this zone and be very, very cautious while looking for longs. But yes, when London opens, I would favor longs to continue the trend and probably pull up a little higher into maybe this M15 or this which is nested inside this H4 zone. So yes, so my bias is going to be longs, probably from maybe EQ of this zone. I'll start looking for longs.